Sought to be what you need through a static screen. Been trying to speak for weeks and weeks. Open my mouth, all that comes out is white noise and incomprehensible sounds. And all you ever do is turn me down. I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm aching, suffocating. I'm breathing, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? I'm screaming.
This y'all first Warped Tour?
Yeah, it's our first Warped Tour, our first tour, actually.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's kind of very challenging for us being on Warped Tour because we're like a nightclub band,
Okay.
a New York City nightclub kind of thing.
Day by day, I slowly replace a new picture freeze. A brand new face on your pillowcase. Come the night, you dim the lights and close the blinds, but I still see them running down your spine. 'Cause I illuminate the room just enough to watch you. I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm aching, suffocating. I'm breathing, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? I'm screaming for you. Sick of the lack of signal, sick of the lack of touch, sick of the static voice. It's not enough, it's not enough. Baby, it's hard to be just what you need. When all I speak is static screams. Can you hear me?
So what is the first, if I may ask, what the first country y'all going to like overseas? Like when y'all touring?
We usually do pretty well in UK, but
I'll say UK, okay.
yeah, UK,
definitely.
Europe, Germany, France, Austria, all those countries. Then Australia.
Okay.
Australia's like probably our second biggest market. Then after that, we'll do Japan, Philippines,
Okay.
somewhere on that side.
I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm aching, suffocating. I'm breathing, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? I'm screaming for you.
Hustle on the rapper scene, never needed to spit a whole 16. I give you 8 bars to let you know what I mean. It's tucked in with the pants tucked in, a huckleberry fin. Kosher deals out of the ordinary skin when I'm going in. Flow is legit, represent his heart to the core. It's Quattro Cerro Quattro, Atlanta to the 404. Kosher deals want more and the flow so great. Say siete ocho, homie in the 6, 7, 8 pace.